Hey there everybody, and welcome to another episode of Home Tours with Dalton Cox. Today I'm going to take you through this brand new 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, beautifully built home here behind me. As we come in the front door, it leads you into a spacious living room with a beautiful fireplace, open concept that connects to the kitchen, and a dining area with a view of the backyard, the back door that leads onto the back deck, if we go to this side, we have our first bathroom and our first bedroom. If we come down this end, we have the laundry room. Go back into the kitchen, wraps around to another dining area. The view of the front yard. That brings us back to the front door. We come to the other side. We have the master bedroom. That connects to the master bathroom with 2 separate closets. Got a beautiful stand-up shower, a soaking tub with a view, a separate toilet room. And if we look on this side, we've got one sink on this side and the other on this side. Now we're going to go upstairs. We've got a 3rd bathroom. With a 3rd bedroom, and the 4th bedroom, and then above the garage we have this huge bonus room. We've got a peaceful back deck with some beautiful nature views. And last but not least is this spacious 2-car garage. Thank you for taking this tour with me today. If you would like more information on this home, or if you would like to schedule a private showing, you can contact myself, the listing agent, Megan Baker, or any of us here at the Baker Brokerage. Thank you and have a great day.